Ciao, I'm Julia, your guide to Venice's hidden treasures. Are you ready for an adventure? These are my friends, Sofia, Isabella, and Valentina. They're eager to show you the best of our city. Each palazzo tells a tale of Venice's glorious past. Can you imagine the secrets these walls have witnessed? Listen, can you hear the gondoliers singing as we pass? It's the soundtrack of Venice. Shall we take a gondola ride? It's the best way to see the city. Bella, Venice is a city of romance and mystery. Can you feel the excitement in the air? From above, it's like a tapestry woven with canals, adorned with centuries of history. Ah, the Rialto Bridge. Watch how the sunlight dances on the water, just like it gleams in your eyes. This bridge has seen countless love stories, beauty, charm, and whispers of intrigue. Can you feel their eyes on you? In Venice, dreams have a way of coming true. Isn't it exhilarating? Every corner we turn, more beautiful faces appear. It's as if the city itself is welcoming you. Now, as we pass under the Bridge of Sighs, make a wish. See those women leaning over the railings, watching us glide by, their eyes fixed on you. And here we are, St. Mark's Basilica. Isn't it breathtaking? The mosaics, the golden domes, each detail tells the story of a glorious republic. Let me show you the secrets of this city of mystery. Look at how the colors of the sky reflect on the water. Bellissimo. Venice is full of beautiful people, don't you think? Everyone seems to glow here. Ah, and here come my friends again. Ciao ragazze, come stai? They're excited to meet you. I told them, you're loving Venice. Let's explore the narrow streets now. Every one of them holds a surprise. Do you see how the light plays on the water? It's like stepping into a painting. We're approaching the Basilica di Santa Maria della Salute. Its domes rise proudly above the canal, a monument to faith and resilience. This cafe right here serves the best espresso in Venice. Shall we stop? Rich and strong, just like the city itself. The Doge's palace, centuries of power and intrigue behind those walls. Can you imagine? Ah, the Rialto again. It's been the heartbeat of commerce for hundreds of years. Feel that energy. It never left. And there, Palazzo Ducale, majestic, a reminder of Venice's dominance on sea and land. Look at the light as it catches their skin, how their dresses sway in the breeze. Mesmerizing, isn't it? We're nearing Piazza San Marco now. The heart of Venice beats loudest here. See the crowd parting for our gondola? Shall we go for an aperitivo? It's a Venetian tradition. Try the Aperol Spritz, bitter, sweet, sparkling, the taste of a Venetian summer. Look, candlelight flickering on the canal. It's so... We're nearing the end of our journey, but this day will stay with you, like the finish of a fine wine. Venice at night is another world. Shadows whisper secrets and every light has a story to tell. Venice has embraced you, caro mio. Its beauty, its mystery, its women, all yours for this enchanted moment. The sun has set. It's time for dinner. Here we are, my favorite place in the city. And I must say the view is almost as beautiful as the company. Look, the moon rising over the lagoon. Isn't it magical? I hope you'll remember this.